Hey everyone, check these out. Pretty cool, right? Oh, wait, let me bring it in closer. Look at that detail. Amazing, isn't it? Well, guess what? You can create stunning, hyper-realistic images too. And the best part? No need for a high-end PC. No expensive software. All you need? Just an internet connection and a Google account. So, why wait? Let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So, what exactly is Focus AI? Well, imagine having a powerful AI image generator right at your fingertips. That's exactly what Focus AI is. No annoying watermarks, no restrictions, just pure creative freedom. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just experimenting for fun, Focus lets you create stunning, high-quality images effortlessly. Let me show you how. All right, let's get Focus AI up and running on Google Colab. Here's what you need to do. Open your browser and search for Focus AI Google Colab. Click the first link that appears. Once you're in, hit the play button, just like I'm showing you now. Make sure you're logged into your Google account before running it. Now the processing begins. You can wait and watch the process, or just skip ahead to when it's done.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
And there it is, completed. Now simply click on this link. And just like that, it's ready to go. It's simple, right? Liking what you see so far? If this tutorial's been helpful, why not hit that like button? It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials on all things AI. And hey, tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. All right, let's dive back in. All right, now that Focus AI is installed, let's set it up for the best results. First, click on Advanced. This will bring up a side panel. Under Preset, select Realistic. Now, just wait a bit. Since realistic models need to be downloaded first, you can check the progress right here in the Colab panel. Once it's done, head back to the Focus panel and reselect Realistic. For performance mode, I'm using Speed. It gives better images faster. Aspect ratio? Choose whatever fits your needs. Output format? Pick the one you prefer. Negative prompts? Just leave them as they are for now. Now it's time to enter our prompt. Remember, the more detailed, the better the results. All right now, let's create our first image. In the prompt box, let's type something realistic. Let's try a portrait. Now just hit Generate and let Focus work its magic. Need more detailed prompts? No worries, I'll be pinning some in the comments. Check them out. Just a few seconds. And look at that, an absolutely stunning images. Once you're happy with it, save the ones you like and it's ready to use for social media, artwork, or any creative project. And the best part? You can keep experimenting, tweaking, and refining until you get exactly what you want. All right, now let's try a few more. How about some landscapes? Let's type in the prompt and generate. There you have it. Another stunning AI creation. Let's do one last one. This time, let's go for a cyberpunk city, like in Cyberpunk 2077. Hope you guys have played it. Now hit generate, and don't worry, I've got all the prompts pinned in the comments. Be sure to experiment with it. And that's it. That's how you can create amazing, realistic AI images for free using Fooocus AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome AI content, and drop a comment on what you'd like to see next.